Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. Today was a really interesting day. The market opened above the 200-day moving average, a big jump up. And I was expecting more of a battle to get through the 200-day moving average, but it did it right at the open. And unfortunately it didn't hold up the whole day, and it ended up closing right at the end just below. Still a fair amount above the range that it established over that 6-week period. So it's one of the interesting things about this particular market. We have this economy that is obviously having some significant problems. Unemployment is at all-time highs with almost 40 million people claiming unemployment. And yet we have a stock market that has done everything that it's supposed to do in a recovery. We have a very strong move. We have follow through with small caps doing quite well. We have more follow through with companies that were beaten down during the downturn doing better, and recovering very rapidly. If you look at the top 50 stocks out of the S&P 500 in terms of rate of return from the bottom, many of them are companies that got hit the hardest. They're still negative for the year for the most part. So these are things that you really see and it kind of doesn't make sense. There's no connection. And we think, okay, maybe there's a second wave of virus that's going to come and that's going to really knock out the stock market. Certainly has a great chance of knocking out the economy, but the stock market seems to be going up even though the economy is not doing well. And of course, that has a lot to do with the amount of money that's coming in. I read an article today that said that there was $3 trillion of money that has come in from the Federal Reserve, and the market has gained a total of $3 trillion in gains. And so it's just a matter of how much the government's willing to continue to put out as to what would happen even if we had a second wave. So that's something we have to watch for. So I want to thank you very much for watching. Let's see what happens with the S&P 500 and the 200-day moving average. And I hope to talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks.